for the right vehicle? Check out 2018 Kia Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, front-wheel drive, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, outside temperature gauge, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, day and night rear view mirror, front bucket seats, rear window wiper, cloth seat trim. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.